The rain is very heavy here in Mexico City, in this marginalized area where, another one is gone.
Another one is gone. Anyways, that's how we are kick it off tonight or today or tomorrow, whenever. It's a Ninja Man video still, but we are breaking ice. And it's a comment section video. You know, I've been doing a few comment section video in recent time. So that means I have to re-watch some of the videos them that is already on the channel of Ninja Man. But anyways, we rate Ninja Man over here, so it don't make a difference if you dip on the channel 1, 3 or 4 times, because we don't deal with 2. Anyways, like the video for me. You can say free Ninja Man from now. And share the video with one of your friends, neighbor in your contact.
So you didn't have those guns?
Not really have them gun there still.
How many guns did you have at the time when you wrote your first gun lyrics?
I come here on an interview. I don't come here to be an informer. Girl, you're a real informer, you know, man.
Emily.
The girl, you're a real informer, you know. Emily, you try draw out the Gargan for inform on himself. And the Gargan will not do that. The Gargan is a real bad man. Anyways, let's jump in the comment section and see what our fellow Jamaicans have to say. First comment. Baby love, I came here for an interview. Achoo, where you come interrogate me for my little girl? Like, what's wrong with you, young lady? Somebody said the cameraman is dying with be a laughing emoji. Achoo, man. And of course, we're gonna have the comment where say Emily an informer. Hey, most of that the comment me have on this channel that Emily is an informer. My last count of the amount of time me watch this pan repeat. True man, yo listen. This is I've said it already, I'm gonna say it again. This is the #1 dancehall interview of all time. The one that is in second is in a far. Hey, it's a way back. Next comment. This person said, this guy is very handsome. Shabaranks will be jealous. I have nothing to say on that because I'm going to admire man. Emily's so in love with the Dan Gargan. I can't. It's the tone of his answers for me. Yo. The girl is a real informer, you know, man. Somebody say Haitian sensation. I came to an interview, not an informer. Yeah, Gargan is not an informer. This man is a true entertainer. Hey, me say it all the time on this channel. I love Emily's smile for sure. I'll do a few more. Baby love, I come. Oh my God, the person in English bad, but anyway, me try. Baby love, I come you in a interview. I don't come you be an informer. I guess this person's English is this person's second language, because what was that? Somebody said I feel in a vibe between them. She and him are go together and both of them know it. Most of the time I see that comment. Anyways, we are jump on to the next video and then we jump in the comment section. What if nothing in my eye? Matter in my eye, tell me, you know, if you don't see matter in my eye.
Yeah, hear me? You know, listen to DJ. I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause some fussy will list me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back me gun. If charge me innocent murder, me not charging on. I don't have to give me back me. Top of the night. You know what? Finish it. Finish it. When me see how the country set, me get another night, me new brand tech. Just because me no want increase debt. Me do badness like cigarette. I mean this like him go take. So boy this me them not dead yet, him a murderer. So why me a go check? I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause I'm
what kind of walking that ninja? What kind of dancing that ninja? What that? Hey ninja, I have also shaking at this one. Somebody say, me jump in the comment section. By the way, if you don't like the video yet, like the video. Remember, you know, when you like the video, help me. grow the channel. Not only help grow the channel, but you help push the video because YouTube now promote my videos them. And just say free ninja in the comment section. Also share the video with one person or 3 persons in your contacts. I can't skip this man video. I haven't skipped a Ninja Man video since Wacky Kill Philip. Where Snoop get his look from? What? Snoop Dogg. Him charged for innocent murder. Me not charged for none. Poke too soon. Oh my gosh. Just imagine when Ninja touch road and Cartel invite him at one of him stage show. Maybe nobody want hear Cartel again. I wonder how soon though. True. When Ninja touch that stage, you never know how you know Cartel, cause guess what? Ninja be lyrics man spot. That's Jamaica in Africa. What? Ninja Man is the best. We all know that. What's his name? Let me go in that comment section and see what people say. First comment there, so somebody said Dan Gargan, aka Ninja Man. Real bad man with a bag of laughing emoji. Ninja Man, Ninja Man. Somebody else say, oh, the person replying and say, great. That's the original front teeth, gold teeth, Bluetooth. I like. That's the original front teeth, gold teeth, Dan Gargans, the real bad man. And somebody else say, Ninja Man, Ninja Man. Obviously, he's an African person. Ask who is that. I like this style, bro. Good luck. Yeah, Ninja gonna need that. Naikota appeals. Ninja Man, one of Jamaica best DJ. True. And if you ask the people them over here, so they gonna say Ninja Man are the best DJ. Anyways, me I cut it off this tonight because I rush to the next video for tomorrow. Right now, cause I have things to do tomorrow. I'm gonna cook. So just like the video for me, man. Share the video. That the way that I can dedicate more of my time in doing this. You understand? Anyways, per usual, stay safe and God bless.
So you didn't have those guns?
No really have them gun there still.
How many guns did you have at the time when you wrote your first gun lyrics?
I come here on an interview. I don't come here to be an informer. Well, you're a real informer, you know, man.
Emily.
Alright. Yeah, hear me? You know, listen to DJ. I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause some fussy will miss me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back me gun. Him charge me innocent murder, me not charging none. I don't have to give me back me. Top of the night. You know what, finish it? Finish it? When me see how the country set, me get out of me night, me new brand tech. Just because me no want increase debt. Me do badness like cigarette. I'm heading this like him go take. Some boy this me them not dead yet, him a murderer. So why me a go check? I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause I'm